Most men think they need a complicated gym program to stay strong. Heavy weights, expensive machines, long workouts. But the truth is, your body only needs a few powerful movements done consistently. In fact, many physiotherapy experts say that just 5 basic movements can protect your joints, build muscle, reduce knee pain, and dramatically improve senior health as you age. These movements train the muscles that matter most for healthy aging. They strengthen your legs, protect your spine, improve posture, and help your body stay functional for decades. Today, I'm going to show you 5 exercises every man should do every day. These movements are simple, but when done correctly, they support senior health, reduce joint stiffness, and are widely used in physiotherapy programs and exercise for seniors' routines around the world. Before we start, I want to know something about you. Tell me your name, your age, and the city you're watching from. And if your goal is healthy aging, better senior health, stronger muscles, and less knee pain, type strong in the comments. Now let's begin. Exercise 1. Push-ups. Push-ups are one of the most powerful bodyweight exercises ever created. They train the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core at the same time. But what many people don't realize is that push-ups are also widely recommended in physiotherapy programs because they strengthen stabilizing muscles around the shoulders. Strong shoulders are critical for senior health. As we age, weak upper body muscles can make everyday tasks harder. Simple activities like pushing a door, getting up from the floor, or carrying groceries require upper body strength. Push-ups train all of these muscles at once. They also strengthen the core, which improves posture and protects the spine. And posture is extremely important for healthy aging. Poor posture places stress on the spine and can lead to neck pain, back pain, and shoulder problems. Physiotherapy experts often include push-up variations in exercise for seniors programs because they help maintain upper body function. If you are a beginner, you don't have to start with full push-ups. You can start with wall push-ups. Stand facing a wall and place your hands against it. Lower your body slowly toward the wall and then push yourself back. This version is excellent for beginners and is often recommended in physiotherapy for people dealing with joint pain or limited strength. If you are stronger, you can do knee push-ups. Place your knees on the floor and perform push-ups from that position, and if you are advanced, perform full push-ups with proper form. Your hands should be slightly wider than shoulder width. Your body should stay in a straight line. Lower your chest slowly toward the floor and then push back up. Controlled movement is important for muscle activation and senior health. Push-ups are not just about strength. They also improve joint stability, which reduces the risk of shoulder injuries. For men interested in healthy aging and long-term mobility, push-ups are one of the best daily exercises. Exercise 2. Squats. If there is one movement that defines strength and independence as we age, it is the squat. Squats train the legs, glutes, hips, and core. These muscles are responsible for standing, walking, climbing stairs, and getting up from a chair. In physiotherapy clinics around the world, squats are one of the most common exercises used in exercise for seniors programs. Why? Because strong legs are essential for senior health. Weak legs increase the risk of falls, mobility problems, and joint pain. Squats strengthen the muscles that support the knees and hips. This is extremely important for people suffering from knee pain. When the muscles around the knee are weak, the joint absorbs more stress. But when the surrounding muscles are strong, they help stabilize the joint. This reduces knee pain and protects the knees from injury. That is why physiotherapy programs for knee pain almost always include squat variations. If you are a beginner or dealing with knee pain, start with chair squats. Stand in front of a chair. Slowly sit down and then stand back up. This movement is very safe and often recommended in exercise for seniors' routines. It strengthens the legs while reducing pressure on the knees. If you are stronger, perform bodyweight squats. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Push your hips back and lower your body. Keep your chest up and your knees tracking over your toes. Then stand back up. Squats not only strengthen the legs but also improve circulation and mobility. For healthy aging and better senior health, strong legs are essential. Exercise 3. Plank. The plank is one of the most effective exercises for core strength. Your core includes the abdominal muscles, lower back muscles, and stabilizing muscles around the spine. These muscles protect the spine and maintain posture. Many physiotherapy specialists recommend planks in exercise for seniors programs because they strengthen the core without placing excessive pressure on the spine. A strong core reduces back pain and improves stability. This is important for senior health because poor core strength often leads to posture problems and spinal discomfort. The plank also trains the body to stabilize during movement. This helps prevent injuries during everyday activities. To perform a plank, place your forearms on the floor. Your elbows should be directly under your shoulders. Extend your legs behind you. Your body should form a straight line from head to heels. Engage your abdominal muscles and hold the position. Do not allow your hips to drop. If you are a beginner, you can perform a knee plank. This version is commonly used in physiotherapy and exercise for seniors' routines. Even holding a plank for 20 seconds can strengthen the core. Over time, you can increase the duration. A strong core supports healthy aging, reduces back pain, and improves overall senior health. Exercise 4. Pull-ups. Pull-ups are one of the best exercises for upper body strength. They target the back, shoulders, and biceps. Many men focus only on pushing movements like push-ups. But pulling movements are equally important. They strengthen the upper back muscles that support posture. Poor posture is extremely common, especially among older adults. Weak upper back muscles cause the shoulders to round forward. Over time, this can lead to neck pain and spinal problems. Pull-ups strengthen these muscles and help restore proper posture. For people who cannot perform pull-ups yet, there are easier alternatives. Resistance band rows or inverted rows are often recommended in physiotherapy and exercise for seniors programs. These movements strengthen the back while reducing stress on the joints. Strong back muscles are essential for senior health and healthy aging. They improve posture, reduce shoulder pain, and help the body stay strong as it ages. Exercise 5. Glute bridge. The glute bridge is one of the most underrated exercises for healthy aging. It targets the glutes, hips, and lower back. These muscles are extremely important for walking, standing, and protecting the spine. Weak glutes are one of the biggest causes of lower back pain. That is why physiotherapy programs often include glute bridges. They strengthen the posterior chain and improve hip stability. Glute bridges are also excellent for people dealing with knee pain. Strong glutes help stabilize the hips and reduce pressure on the knees. To perform a glute bridge, lie on your back with your knees bent. Place your feet flat on the floor. Press through your heels and lift your hips upward. At the top of the movement, squeeze your glutes. Then slowly lower your hips back down. This movement strengthens the hips and protects the lower back. It is widely used in physiotherapy and exercise for seniors' routines because it is safe, effective, and supports senior health. Why these exercises matter. These 5 exercises cover the most important movement patterns in the human body. Push-ups train pushing strength. Pull-ups train pulling strength. Squats train the legs. Planks strengthen the core. Glute bridges protect the hips and spine. Together, they create a powerful daily routine that supports senior health, reduces knee pain, and promotes healthy aging. Many physiotherapy experts recommend similar movement patterns in exercise for seniors programs because they strengthen the body in a balanced way. When combined with proper senior nutrition and consistent activity, these exercises can dramatically improve strength and mobility. Healthy aging is not about doing extreme workouts, it is about staying consistent with the right movements. If you perform these 5 exercises every day, your body will become stronger, more stable, and more resilient. Your posture will improve, your muscles will stay active, and your joints will remain healthier as you age. This is the foundation of real senior health and healthy aging. Combine these exercises with good senior nutrition, proper sleep, and regular movement. Your body will thank you for it. Now I want to hear from you. Comment your name, your age, and your city. And if you want more videos about physiotherapy tips, exercise for seniors, knee pain relief, senior nutrition, and healthy aging, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Because the goal here is simple: to help you stay strong, active, and healthy for life.